Good morning, students. Today, going to discuss about a chapter, fourth chapter, motion in a plane. Which chapter here? Motion in a plane. Very short answers. Only 2 more questions. Focus on the problems. Only focus on the problems in the topic motion in a plane. Okay. First of all, ఈ టాపిక్ నుంచి మనకి ఒక 5 to 6 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఆ 5 to 6 క్వశ్చన్స్లో 100% మనకి యాన్యువల్లో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఏవైతే వస్తున్నాయో వాటిపైన మనం ఇప్పుడు ఫోకస్ చేస్తున్నాం. లిజన్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇయర్ ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ రాసిన 2 questions. Here 1 question. First of all, 2 forces of magnitudes 3 units, here 3 units and 5 units act at 60 degrees with each other. What is the magnitude of their resultant? Magnitude of their resultant. అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 వెక్టార్లు వేయడం జరిగింది. 2 vectors. These 2 vectors here 3 units and 5 units. The angle between these 2 units here 60 degrees. Find out the magnitude of their resultant vector. Magnitude of their resultant vector. So how to solve this problem? So listen. First of all, given data ఇచ్చిన దత్తాంశం నుండి మనకి ఏంటంటే ఓకే here first, for example, vector first unit here p, for example p is equal to 3 units and second vector here, for example q is equal to 5 units. Okay, the angle between these 2 vectors, theta is equal to here how much? 60 degrees. Okay, the magnitude of these 2 vectors here, magnitude of answer magnitude of these 2 vectors is equal to here p plus q. Resultant vector, for example r is equal to under root of formula p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. So here p square plus here q square plus 2pq cos theta. Here these 2 values, p values, q values and theta values, we are substituting in this equation. This is gives here the resultant, the magnitude of the resultant to these given vectors. Okay, now simplifies p values here how much? 3 units. Okay, square plus q values here 5 units and 2 into 3 into 5 into here cos theta is equal to cos 60 is equal to how much value? 1/2. Here cos 60 is equal to 1/2. This is a cos 60 values here. Cos 60 is equal to 1/2. So that values here substituting. Into 1/2 under root. Okay. So any terms cancel here. 2 get cancel here. 2 get cancel. 3 5 ja 15. Okay, here plus 15. 5 5 ja 25 plus here 9 3 9 3 3 ja 9 3 3 ja 9 under root. Okay, now give 9 plus 25, so leave it. 25 plus 15 40 plus 9 49. So here resultant vector is equal to under root of 49. So that is equal to 7 square. The square and root get cancelled. Remaining here p is equal to r is equal to, this r means the magnitude of given resultant vector r is equal to here simplifies 7 units. Okay, this is our answer. This one here answer. Okay, 2 more questions. These questions is repeated questions. Only IPE 2 more questions. This is repeat question. Result is the magnitude of the resultant vector r is equal to 7 units. This is close. The first problem here, a vertical component of a vector is equal to its horizontal component. What is the angle made by the vector with the x-axis? ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే horizontal component is equal to horizontal component is equal to here vertical component. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చిందమ్మా, క్షితిజ సమాంతర దిశలో ఉన్నటువంటి కాంపోనెంట్ అంటే దేనికి సమానం, ఇక్కడ వర్టికల్ దిశలో ఉన్నటువంటి కాంపోనెంట్కి ఈక్వల్గా ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఏమిచ్చింది క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ హియర్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద యాంగిల్ మేడ్ బై ద వెక్టార్ విత్ యాక్సిస్, అంటే ఎక్స్ అక్షంతో చేసే కోణాన్ని కనుక్కోనండి అన్నాడు. ఏమన్నాడు, ఎక్స్ అక్షంతో చేసే కోణాన్ని కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. ఓకే, నోట్ దిస్ వన్. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, here given data, this is a vertical component, this one here vertical component, for example this is a ay, this one here vertical component is a ay, and horizontal, this is equal to here horizontal component, then సమానం ఉంది ఇది horizontal component. What is the angle made by the vector with the x axis? So first of all, this one here x axis, this is a y axis. Okay, these two resultant vectors here, for example here a, these two resultant vector here a. Okay, ఈ రెండింటి యొక్క ఫలిత సదిశ ఏంటిది, x కాంపోనెంట్ y కాంపోనెంట్ here just a. So x component means x component here ax, x means here a cos theta, this is the x component of the given vector. Now the y component y that is equal to a sin theta, a means here resultant vector of the these two components, these two, ఈ రెండిటి యొక్క ఫలిత సదిశ ఏంటంటే మనకి a అనేది ఈ రెండిటి యొక్క ఫలిత సదిశ. ఓకే, నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ draw the triangle, this the resultant vector made with the x axis, ఇది దేంతో చేస్తుంది కోణం, x axis తో చేస్తుంది, దేంతో చేస్తుంది x axis. వాడు అడిగింది ఏంటి మరి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ దిస్ యాంగిల్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆల్ఫా, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్ఫా ఇస్ ఏ ది ఆల్ఫా మేకింగ్ విత్ x axis. నౌ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద ఆల్ఫా, నథింగ్ బట్ హియర్ యాంగిల్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ హియర్ రండి ఆన్సర్, x component vertical component here ay, for example here ay is equal to a cos theta. Okay, a cos theta, and horizontal component here component here ax, for example here ax is equal to a vertical component entra here a sin theta and a cos theta. This one here horizontal component is a cos theta. According to given data, ఇచ్చిన దత్తాంశం ప్రకారం ఏంటంటే the vertical component is equal to horizontal component, is equal to here horizontal component. That means here ay is equal to ax, is equal to here ax. So the angle made by the alpha with x axis, that means here tan alpha is equal to, for example this is a origin O, this one for example B, this is a C. According to triangle, tan alpha is equal to BC by OC, so tan alpha is equal to here BC by here OC, that is equal to BC means AY. Okay, BC means here AY, and OC means here AX, that is equal to here, according to AY is equal to here AX. Okay, this term is equal to AY is equal to AX, that is equal to here, for example, okay, leave it, this value is here substituting AX by, for example AX, this is cancel, is equal to 1, that is equal to 1. So tan alpha is equal to 1, here alpha is equal to tan inverse of 1, that is equal to here theta is equal to theta nothing but here alpha is equal to 45 degrees. Alpha is equal to here 45 degrees. Answer, how much value is here? Angle 45 degrees. The 45 degrees made with the x component. Okay, now next problem. Note this one. Okay, next problems here, given problems. Next third one question here, a is equal to I plus j vectors. Here I plus j vectors. What is angle between the vectors and x axis? Angle between the vectors and x axis అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంది resultant vector. For example, a is equal to I plus j. Here I means x unit vector along the x component, j means y component, the unit vector along the y component. Here the magnitude of the y component 1, the magnitude of the x component here 1. Unit vectors here, given vectors. This problem answer here, this one here answer. Okay, the answer means here a is equal to ij. Here diagram, దీనికి మనకి ఐపీలో తీసుకున్న చాలా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ అనే ప్రాబ్లం ఇది. దాని మెనీ టైమ్స్ గివెన్ ఇంటూ ఐపీ, టీఎస్ అండ్ ఏపీ ప్రాబ్లం. two more questions. So I means unit vector along the x axis. For example, xi, and I means here j means along the y component, ay. Here this is a j means here ij is a unit vectors. Ij is a unit vectors. So angle made by the resultant vector, this is a resultant vector. Okay, now find out the angle between with the x axis. ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి ఇందులో? theta కనుక్కోవాలి. ఓకే, అకార్డింగ్ టు గివెన్ డేటా here unit vectors ay is equal to 1 and also here ax is equal to 1. So that means here ay is equal to unit vector is the magnitude of the x component and y component. అంటే x దిశలో దాని magnitude ఎంత 1, y దిశలో magnitude ఎంత ఇక్కడ మనకి 1. So ax is equal to here ay is equal to ax is equal to, for example, here 1, magnitude here 1. Now tan alpha from diagram, ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ వేసినట్టయితే మనకి ఈజీగా 1 మార్క్ వస్తుంది. ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ వేస్తే మనకి ఈజీగా 1 మార్క్ వస్తుంది మనకి. ఓకే, నౌ ఫ్రమ్ ద డయాగ్రామ్ హియర్, ఓకే, tan alpha, tan theta is equal to here ay by here ax, that is equal to ay is equal to here 1, ax is equal to, so 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. So here simplifies tan theta is equal to 1 by 1, that is equal to 1 here. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of 1, here 1. So theta, finally the angle made with the x axis, theta is equal to 45 degrees. Theta is equal to here 45 degrees. ఓకే, మనకి ఐపీలో రాసినట్టయితే డయాగ్రామ్ చూడండి, ఇలా ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయకుండా జస్ట్ theta is equal to 45 degrees రాసినా మనకి ఓన్లీ 1 మార్క్ ఇచ్చే ఛాయిస్. 1 మార్క్ 100% ఇస్తాడు. theta is equal to ఎంత రాయాలి ఇక్కడ 45 degrees రాసినట్టయితే మనకి 1 మార్క్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, సి హియర్, నోట్ దిస్ వన్. Here next one, these questions repeated questions in IP, TS and AP. ఏపీలో కానీ మనకి తెలంగాణలో తీసుకున్నట్టయితే ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ మనకు ఐపీ నుండి ఎప్పుడు అడిగే రేర్ కూడా అడిగే సందర్భాలు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ హియర్, వెన్ టూ రైట్ యాంగిల్స్ మీన్స్ హియర్ theta is equal to 90 degrees. Right angle means here theta is equal to how much here degrees? 90 degrees. Okay, right angle vectors of magnitude of 7 units, magnitude of here 7 units and 24 units combined. What is the magnitude of their resultant? What is the magnitude of their resultant? The resultant to form here, for example, p square plus here q square plus 2p q cos theta. This is the magnitude of resultant to vector. Magnitude of resultant to vector formula. Okay. Now answer here. For example, here vector p is equal to how many units here? Given 7 units. For example, here 7 units. Okay. And q, the magnitude of the vector q is equal to here 24 units. 24 units. Okay. And the angle here, right angle, this is the right angles. That means the angle between two vectors. Angle between here two vectors. Theta is equal to here 90 degrees. Theta is equal to here 90 degrees. That means here diagram, for example, this is p, this one here q. Okay. These two vectors here x, this one for example y. The angle between these two vectors here 90 degrees. These two vectors here 90 degrees. Clear? ఈ రెండు మధ్య కోణం ఎంత ఉంది? 90 డిగ్రీలు. రైట్ యాంగిలే కదా, రాస్తే రైట్ యాంగిల్ వస్తుంది కదా, అవునా కదా, రైట్ యాంగిల్. సో దిస్ వాల్యూస్ హియర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా. సో theta is equal to here 90 degrees, p is equal to 7, q is equal to 24. Okay. Now the resultant magnitude of resultant vector here r is equal to under root of now tell me values. P is equal to 7 square. Okay, 7 square. Next q is equal to 24 square plus 2 into 7 into 24. Okay. Cos 90, how much value here? 0. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Clear? So into here cos 90, that is equal to here 0. That is equal to here 0 something. This one here, this term, total term here 0. Okay. The remaining here r is equal to 7 7 ja 49. Okay. 7 7 ja 49 plus 24 ja 576 under root. So total 576 plus 49, that is equal to 625. That is equal to here 625. Simplies here the magnitude of the resultant vector under root of 625. 25 square. 25 square is equal to 25 square. 25 into 25 ఎంత? How much? 625. ఎంత? 620. So this is that is equal to here r is equal to 25 units. R is equal to here 25 units. This is the magnitude of given to resultant vectors. R is equal to 25 units. Okay. Next problems here, given problems here, these also repeated questions in IP. If mod of a plus b is equal to mod of a minus b, prove that the angle between a and b is 90 degrees. Prove the angle between these two vectors here, theta is equal to here 90 degrees. అంటే ఆ రెండు కోణ ఏంది ఏబీల మధ్య కోణం ఎంత అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ 90 డిగ్రీలని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ హియర్ గివెన్ if p is equal to 2i plus 4j plus 14k and q is equal to 4i plus 4j plus 10k, find the magnitude of p plus q. Magnitude of p plus q. Okay. Now given data, this answer here. Okay. Given data here, for example, given data p is equal to how much here? Tell me. 2i plus 4j plus here 14k. Next q is equal to 4i plus 4j plus 10, just 10k. This ijk is here unit vectors. Ijk is K is here unit vectors. Now find the magnitude of the P plus Q. First of all, sum of the P plus Q. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలంటే P వాల్యూస్ని Q వాల్యూస్ని ఫస్ట్ అడిషన్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ P plus P, I ఇక్కడ A, how much here? I values here 2, here 2 plus 4 6, okay. Next 4 plus 4 8, 14 plus 24. Now here P plus Q, P plus Q is equal to 6 2 plus 4 6 I plus 8j plus 24 K. This is a just P plus Q values. This one here P plus Q. Now the magnitude of the this P plus Q. Now here magnitude of P plus Q. P plus Q is equal to under here under root of now under root of P plus P square plus Q square plus 2pq cos theta, okay. 2pq cos theta, just magnitude, okay. Magnitude of the now next value is here just these are here 2 square plus 4 square plus here next sorry values here wrong, this one here first value is here first value is these are here 6 square plus 8 square here plus 24 square. Now simplifies 6 square means 36 plus 8 square means 64 plus 24 ja 576 under root. Now this one total 676, that is equal to 26 square of 26, 676, okay. 676 under root. Now here the magnitude of the P plus Q is equal to here under root 676, that is equal to here 26 units, 26 here units, okay. This is a result of the given vectors, okay. Next problem, note this one here, okay. Now fifth one, very important this problem here, 2021 November 30. దిస్ మనకి ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చూసినట్టయితే మనకి మొన్న రీసెంట్గా వచ్చినటువంటి ఐపీలో 4 మార్క్స్లో అడగడం జరిగింది. ఇది ఎన్ని మార్కులకు అడిగింది ఇది 4 మార్క్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ 2021 నవంబర్ ఏనా, నవంబర్ దిస్ ఇస్ దిస్ మంత్ ఇయర్ నవంబర్, అక్టోబర్ ఇయర్ అక్టోబర్ ఏనా, అక్టోబర్ 30కి ఈ 4 మార్క్స్లో మనకి అడగడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, ఇయర్ if mod of a plus b is equal to mod of minus ab, prove that the angle between the a and b is 90 degrees. How much here, ఎంత డిగ్రీస్ చూపించాలి మనం ఇక్కడ, ab మధ్య కోణం అనేది 90 డిగ్రీలు ఉందని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములాస్, mod a plus b ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, 2ab cos theta, and a minus b, mod of a minus b, modulus of a minus b is equal to under root of tell me, a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. So given data a plus b is equal to modulus a minus b. So given a plus b, okay, is equal to a minus b. So this is the this values here substituting. A plus b means a square plus b square plus here 2ab cos theta under root is equal to remaining a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta under root. Okay, this equation స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఇరువైపులా వర్గం చేయండి, వర్గమూలం కాదు, జస్ట్ వర్గం. స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. ఆఫ్టర్ వి విల్ గెట్ హియర్ సింప్లైస్ a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta is equal to a square plus b square plus minus 2ab cos theta, these terms taken left side, this right terms taken as here left. So the positive values నెగిటివ్, ద నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూస్ హియర్ పాజిటివ్. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఈ టర్మ్స్ మనం లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొచ్చినట్టయితే ఏ విలువ దేని యొక్క విలువ పాజిటివ్ ఉంటుందో నెగిటివ్ అవుతుంది, దేని యొక్క నెగిటివ్ ఉంటుందో అది మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది పాజిటివ్. సో హియర్ సింప్లైజ్ హియర్ a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta minus here a square minus a square minus b square plus 2ab cos theta is equal to 0. Now any term cancel, ఏదైనా క్యాన్సల్ అవుతుంది ఇందులో, ఏది a square cancel, a square, b square also cancel. So this is the positive values, 2ab cos theta a positive values, this also positive values. So total values here 4ab cos theta, so simplifies 4ab cos theta is equal to here 0. Now here are where ab does not is equal to 0, ab does not is equal, that means a and b అనే విలువలు 0 కావు. బట్ హియర్ cos theta is equal to 0, cos theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to cos inverse of 0. Now theta is equal to 90 degrees. Now theta is equal to 90. So this is a proof that. Okay. Next problem here. Listen. A force 2y plus j minus k newtons acts on a body which is initially at rest. The body is in rest position. At the end of the 20 seconds, this is the time, this one here time. The velocity of the body is here, 4i plus 2j plus minus 2k meter per second. What is the mass of the body? Here the force acting on the body, the force values here F is equal to given values here 2y plus j minus k newtons. The velocity of the body here 4i plus 2j minus 2k. This force acting on the body here 20 seconds. How many seconds acting on the body here? Just for 20 seconds. Initially the body in rest. ఇక్కడ దాని ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ మనం చూడండి, this is for example body. The mass of the body here for example m. Initially here u is equal to 0. That means here initially rest. The force acting on this body here for example F. This body moving here with velocity v. Now the time taken for the time here 20 seconds here. The force acting on this body acts in only 20 seconds. Now find out the mass of the body. According to Newton's seconds law, F is equal to here ma. According to formula F is equal to ma. Now the velocity, acceleration is equal to here velocity by time. Acceleration is equal to velocity by time. ఓకే, మనకు త్వరణం తీసుకున్నట్టయితే కాలం బై వేగం బై త్వరణం వస్తుంది. అదేవిధంగా బలం తీసుకున్నట్టయితే మాస్ ఇంటూ యాక్సలరేషన్ వస్తుంది. నౌ హియర్ గివెన్ డేటా, హియర్ ఆన్సర్ గివెన్ data F is equal to here f is equal to modulus under root of here direct y access na how much first one values 2y so 2 square plus next j 1 square plus minus 1 so this also here 1 square the modulus of force the negative gaani positive vachina manaku positive ga తీసుకోవాలి values so this is a formula now here is no 2 2 ja 4 plus ఎందుకు మైనస్ తీసుకోవాలి ఇది modulus ఏంటి here modulus so plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1 square is equal to 1 under root that is equal to here 6. This is a force the force acting on the body here F mod of F is equal to root 6 newtons here Newton. Next one here velocity mod of velocity here mod of velocity is equal to here this values same process how much here 4 square okay 4 square plus here 2 square plus here 2 square under root now simplies 4 square 60 plus 16 plus 4 plus 4 that is equal to 24 units here 20 under root 24 meter per second this is the velocity of the body the force acting on the body here F is equal to root 6 newtons the velocity of the body here under root 24 meter per second now we find out the here mass of the body now mass of the body here from newtons seconds law F is equal to here F is equal to ma now here m is equal to force by acceleration but here acceleration is equal to velocity by time so this value is here substituting a is equal to v by t so that is equal to force by v by t that is equal to here ft by v got it ardhamaindi idi f is equal to m is equal to force by acceleration so acceleration is equal to velocity by time so velocity is equal to at now the acceleration is put terms here values is equal to f is equal to root 6 okay t is equal to how many seconds here t is equal to 20 seconds so into 20 seconds by here v values root 24 okay now root this one here root this also here root 6 1 ja 6 4 ja that is equal to here that is equal mass of the body is equal to 20 by root 4 means 2 that value is here 2 just 2 okay 2 1 ja 2 10 ja that is equal to here m is equal to 10 kg m is equal to here 10 kg so the mass of the this body m is equal to 10 kg m is equal to here 10 kg this is the answer this one here answer okay next one problem here next problem here see here question is show that for a projectile launched at an angle 45 degrees launched here 45 degrees the maximum height of the projectile is 1/4 of the range okay here question is projectile the angle launched the here angle, how much here angle? 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Here question is, what is the, here the projectile is 1/4 of the range. 1/4 of the range. The height is 1/4 of the range. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ప్రొజెక్టైల్ని గాలిలోకి 45 డిగ్రీస్తోని ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత దాని యొక్క హైట్ అనేది ఆ రేంజ్లో ఎన్నో భాగం అది 1/4. How much here? 1/1/4 of the range. The height is equal to 1/4 of the height range. So now here given answer here, theta is equal to 45 degrees. Maximum height formula, maximum height h is equal to here u square sin square theta by 2g, sin square theta by 2g. Okay, this is a maximum height. This one here maximum height. Here diagram, this is one here, for example diagram, the angle here 45 degrees, theta is equal to here 45 degrees. The height is this one here, height, this one here, height. So we show that the maximum height is equal to 1/4 of the range, 1/4 of the range. So here h is equal to r by 4. We prove the here h is equal to r by 4. Now the maximum height is equal to formula here, h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. So theta values here substituting here, maximum height is equal to theta values here 45 degrees, here u square sin of 45 degrees, sin of 45 degrees by 2g, by 2g. Now sin 45 is equal to 1/√2. 1/√2 square is equal to just 1/2, just 2. Okay, one step here. So h is equal to u square, h is equal to here u square. Here sin 45 is equal to 1/√2, 1/√2 square. Here sin square means here square by 2g, by here 2g. That is equal to here u square 1/2 square 1/2. So 1/2 2g into here 1/2, 2g into 1/2. Okay, this one here 1/2. Now here height is equal to u square by 2 2 here 4g. This one here height, this one here height. Okay, this is equation 1, this one here equation 1. Now range formula, the range of the projectile r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g, u square sin 2 theta by g. So range formula here, range horizontal range r is equal to u square sin here 2 theta by g, 2 theta by g. This one here equation 1. So range is equal to r is equal to u square sin theta sin 2 theta by g. Here theta values here 45 into 2 90, cos sin 90 is equal to 1. Now here r is equal to u square sin 90 by g, sin 90 by g implies here r is equal to u square sin 90 is equal to 1. Sir, 1 into u square, 1 into u square by g, just r is equal to here u square by g. This is equation 2. This one here equation 2. Now we show that the maximum height is equal to 1/4 of the range, 1/4 of the range. That means here h is equal to r by h, h is equal to r by h. Now from equation 1 and 2, from here, from equations 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So here maximum height is equal to h is equal to here 1/4 into 1/4 into u square by g, okay, u square by g. So u square by g, that is equal to here just r, that is equal to here r. So implies here h is equal to r by 4. So this is a given values. So the maximum height is equal to 1/4 of the range, 1/4 of the range. So h is equal to now these problems very important in IP, TS and AP. మనం ఈ టాపిక్స్ నుంచి చూసినట్టయితే కంపల్సరీగా 2 మార్క్స్ అయితే 100% వస్తున్నాయి ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ వెరీ షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్లో. అడిషనల్గా మనకు 4 షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ అడిగినట్టయితే మనకి 4 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా వచ్చే అవకాశాలు ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి ఈ టాపిక్స్ ఈ టాపిక్స్ చదవండి, కంప్లీట్గా ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూడండి. మనకి 100% 2 or 6 మార్క్స్ గెయిన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఈజీగా. ఓకే, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.